Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, part of Leetcode daily challenge, rotate string. So we get two string s and goal, and what we need to do is return true if only if s can become goal after doing some number of shifts. So by shifts, basically they mean taking the first character and putting it at the end. So taking, for example, a, putting it at the end here, it becomes this, for example, and you can do it repeatedly any number of times. The goal is to get the goal. So for example here, this first example, we put a to the end, and then we put b to the end, and now we have the same as goal. Okay, so return true. Here if you try, there is no way to do it. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, the first observation to think about is there is only a certain number of shifts you can do, after which if you don't get goal, you will not get goal, right? Basically the shifts possible are like getting a here, getting b to the end, and then c to the end, and then d to the end, right? And then e to the end, right? And now we are back at the original s, right? Okay, so after some number of steps, you get back to the original, and this number of steps is just the number of characters you have, at most the number of characters you have. So what we can do is just do the shifts n times, basically, and n being the length of s. Right? If we get the goal anytime, we return true. If we don't, then that means it's not possible. So that's the main idea behind the solution. So what we can do is just go like this. And then do the shift. What is the shift doing? Well, we just take the first character and put it at the end, and so basically here it's just what this is just this plus this, right? Now what are these two? Well, the first one is just s from index 1 to the end. The last one is just the first position, right? This is exactly what we are doing. And so this is what shifting is, and we'll just say this s is now equal to this. And then if at any point it's equal to goal, we want to return true. But if we do that tour and we didn't find it, then we will never find it, so return false. Okay, so that's the straightforward, simple approach, gets accepted. But even easier than this, what you can notice is that, well, what is this actually? This is, you could just combine both s 2 times like this. And if goal is in this, that means there is some shift. So for example, you can see here, we have that, we have this, we have this, we have this, right? We have all of these shifts, we have them in the string combination of both, right? And so what you can do actually is just check if goal is in the concatenation of both, okay? The only problem is for a case, for example, where s is equal to AA and goal is equal to A, right? Well, you will find that A is in S plus S, but the problem is there is no way to shift because shifts doesn't reduce the number of characters, right? So that means basically, in addition to checking this here, we need to check the length, right? So we need to check if the length of S has to be equal for a shift too, because a shift doesn't add any character, right? And so if we do that, this should work. Let's see, not that. Let's submit, and it gets accepted, okay? In terms of time complexity, this check here should be open. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this problem. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.